When the Palisades fire erupted on January 7th, it tore through over 37,000 acres in just days. By January 10th, the blaze was only 6% contained and nearly 90,000 residents had been forced to evacuate. But while families fled and homes burned, California Governor Gavin Newsom was already on the phone with Hawaii. Governor 𝙤𝙤 discussing land deals, not emergency response, not water deployment land deals.
I was just talking to 𝙤𝙤. We're already working with our legal teams to move those things forward.
Newsom said with a smile and a shoulder shimmy during a public interview. That moment sparked outrage, but it wasn't just the timing, it was the pattern.
Water was available.
It wasn't used.
California had the water reservoirs were full enough to support firefighting efforts.
But instead of deploying it, the state cited environmental restrictions, infrastructure limitations, and bureaucratic red tape. Fire hydrants ran dry in key zones. Entire neighborhoods were left vulnerable. This isn't new. In past decades, forest crews used proactive methods like watering down dry brush and clearing flammable debris. They understood that dry leaves and dead wood were fire hazards. But today, those practices have been sidelined thanks to activist-driven policies that prioritize ecosystems over human safety. And let's be clear, activism used to mean protecting the earth and its people. Now it's become a tool for profit. Big bucks have replaced big ideals. The land grab begins! While the fire still raged, Newsom was already planning to redevelop scorched land into low-income housing. Critics say this wasn't recovery, it was opportunism. And the numbers back it up. Chinese investors purchased 36% of homes in some areas, including 30% of land in Altadena. Senate Bill 79 mandates high-rise apartments up to 75 feet tall in single-family zones near transit with no local input. In June, Newsom signed a budget with over 60 housing bills, streamlining approvals for dense, affordable housing in disaster zones. One Senate-passed bill even allows Los Angeles to buy fire-damaged lots at rock-bottom prices to build housing for families earning below 60% of the median income. A pro knows how to cover his tracks. As someone who's lived a life, I know what it means to be ready. If you're going to make a move, especially one that could be tracked later, you prep the narrative. You build the excuse. You smile for the camera and talk about recovery while the real plan unfolds behind closed doors. Newsom's demeanor wasn't just tone deaf. It was calculated. He knew what he was doing. And the public? They were too busy evacuating to notice. Wake up, California! This isn't speculation. It's a blueprint. Water was withheld, forests were mismanaged, land was sold, housing was pushed, and the people were left in the smoke. It's time to stop falling for the performance. It's time to start asking the right questions. It's time to expose the corruption.